Hello and welcome to the Kamatz course. On this page, you will master the one-letter Kamatz pronunciation. I will start you off with a few of them. And then in the assignment, I'd like you to make a video of yourself reading this page. So I'm going to start off over here. And that's going to be the na. And sha, kha, na. Can you guess what this one is? I'll say it in a second. If you said sa, you were correct. Ta, sa. Notice it's not an and it's not an o. It's a This is Minhag Chabad. Thank you for watching. And good luck practicing. Send me a video of yourself reading this entire page.